You did everything right. You went to bed on time. You slept for 8 hours. So why do you wake up feeling flat, heavy, unmotivated? Here's the truth most men never hear. This isn't normal. It isn't aging. And it isn't fixed by sleeping longer. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why sleep alone isn't restoring your energy, why you wake up still tired, and what you can actually do about it. Most men completely miss reason number 3, and it quietly drains drive, focus, and testosterone. The sleep myth that misleads men. Men have been given one simple rule: get 7 to 9 hours of sleep and you'll be fine. But that rule ignores how the body actually recovers. Sleep is not a timer. It's a biological process. You can be unconscious for 8 hours and still miss deep restorative sleep, disrupt hormone release, stay stuck in stress mode, wake up unrestored. That's exactly what's happening to modern men. And next, I'll explain why your brain may never fully power down, even when you're asleep. Your body stays on alert all night. The first major cause of morning exhaustion. Your nervous system never switches off. Stress today isn't dramatic. It's constant. Screens, notifications, mental noise, even relaxing content keeps your system alert. When stress hormones remain elevated at night, deep sleep becomes shorter. REM sleep fragments. Recovery is incomplete. You don't feel stressed, but your body never felt safe enough to rest. Here's a key insight. Mental calm does not equal biological calm, and this directly affects the hormone responsible for male energy. Why sleep should build testosterone, but often doesn't. Here's something most men are never told. Testosterone is produced while you sleep, but only under specific conditions. Deep sleep must occur. Cortisol must be low. Blood sugar must stay stable. When those conditions aren't met, testosterone output drops, muscle repair slows, motivation fades, morning energy disappears. This is why men wake up exhausted despite sleeping enough. They slept, but they didn't recover. Next, we'll cover a hidden nighttime disruption most men never feel, but their body does. The invisible blood sugar problem. Another silent energy killer. Nighttime blood sugar instability. Late meals, alcohol, sugary snacks, even healthy evening carbs. Here's what happens. Blood sugar rises, insulin spikes, blood sugar crashes in the early morning, cortisol surges to compensate. You stay asleep, but your body enters emergency mode. Deep sleep breaks down. You wake up tired and foggy. If you wake up exhausted and hungry, this is often why. But the next reason is the most overlooked of all. Oxygen, breathing, and poor recovery. Many men don't realize this. How you breathe at night determines how you feel in the morning. Common issues are mouth breathing, mild airway restriction, shallow breathing during sleep. Even without sleep apnea, this can lower oxygen to the brain, trigger stress hormones, prevent deep sleep cycles. Your body spends the night compensating instead of repairing. And the result? Low energy, poor focus, heavy mornings. I'll share a simple way to improve this shortly. Why your morning controls your night. Here's the paradox. Your sleep quality begins when you wake up. Without early daylight exposure, your circadian rhythm drifts. Hormone timing shifts. Sleep becomes shallow. Mornings feel brutal. Artificial light doesn't do the job. Screens don't count. Your brain needs real sunlight to lock in energy and sleep depth. Okay, you might be wondering, what is the circadian rhythm? Well, let me explain. The circadian rhythm is your body's 24-hour internal clock that controls sleep, energy, and hormones. It's set mainly by light exposure, especially morning sunlight. When it's disrupted by screens, late nights, or irregular schedules, sleep quality drops. That's why you can wake up tired even after 8 hours in bed. Your brain needs real daylight to anchor energy and sleep depth. In a few moments, I'll talk about what actually fixes this without sleeping longer. Quick pause. Before I talk about real solutions, here's something worth knowing. If you've been feeling frustrated or even embarrassed about changes in bedroom performance, sensitivity, stamina, or desire, you're not alone, and it's not your fault. There's a 100% natural solution that's already helped thousands of men Feel confident and energized again. No pills, no injections, no procedures, no surgery, no risky shortcuts. Just a simple, easy home remedy you can make at home, designed to support what researchers are now calling the manhood molecule, a key factor for arousal, blood flow, and lasting power. Find out more. There's a link in the description and in the pinned comment. Check it out. It could be the very thing you've been looking for. Now let's talk solutions, because these are simple, and most men feel results fast. How men restore energy, the right way. Here's what consistently works. 1. No screens before bed. Reduce stimulation before bed. At least 60 minutes without screens or stress triggers. This allows cortisol to fall naturally. 2. Eat earlier and keep it simple. Protein and healthy fats. Avoid late sugar and alcohol. 3. Breathe through your nose. Better oxygen equals deeper sleep and calmer nerves. 4. Get sunlight. Soon after waking up, get out into the sun. The sun really does have wonderful effects on mental and physical health. 5 to 10 minutes outside resets your entire rhythm. 5. Control chronic stress. Walking, breathing, quiet time. These lower stress faster than supplements. Poor sleep is usually a daytime problem, not a nighttime one. You are not the problem. If you wake up tired after 8 hours, you're not weak, you're not lazy, you're not broken. Your body is responding exactly as it should to constant stimulation, stress, and pressure. Change the inputs, and energy comes back. Closing thoughts. If this finally explained why sleep hasn't been working, hit like so more men see it. Subscribe for straightforward men's health content without hype. And remember to check out the 100% natural home remedy thousands of men are using to boost stamina and energy in the bedroom. No pills, no pumps, no surgery. The link is in the description and in the pinned comments. Comment below if this explained exactly how you've been feeling. Awareness is the first step to fixing it. Now watch this video for more revealing content on men's health and well-being.